Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Vue.js video tutorial we will learn about the two lifecycle method. They are very important in the Vue.js, which is beforeCreate and created. So let's look out the points of this video. We have a very small 4 points. First of all, we will see when they work. We will see this inside this diagram. Then we will see how they work, how we can use them, and an example. Alright, these three will gonna with the code. So let's jump on the first point. As you know, lifecycle methods are directly related to the component. Alright, so every component have own lifecycle methods. So maybe some people are confused that the application have a lifecycle method when application is just created and closed and all. No, lifecycle methods are directly related to your component. They are not going to relate with your application. Alright, so these two methods, when your component is just about to create or just about to initialize, then create before lifecycle method is called. Alright, so you can say that this lifecycle method is called before creating your component, and after that your data and events are observed, and your reactive code is actually ready. Then other lifecycle method which is created is called. Alright, so now let's understand it with the code. First of all, I am just going to jump on home.js. Here you can see that I have a component with little bit HTML and little bit JavaScript, and if you don't know how we can create the component, then you can just get the link from the description box. I have a complete playlist here. So I am just going to print this name here. So just simply write here h1 tag and just write here name. So now you can see that name is just going to be display on our screen here, right? So in this component I am just going to define here two lifecycle method. One is created, so just write here console dot one and just write here created, and after that I am just going to write here before create, and here just write here console again and just write console dot one and write here before create. Alright, so when you just call them, you will see, just remove the both of them and just see before created is called first, then created is called. So don't confuse that. The sequence will be just putting the difference. If you just change the sequence, then still before created is called before. Why? Because this is under the lifecycle method. Before created have to called first, then this is called first, then created will be called. All right, so now if you just want to check this property name in the before created, then you will find this is the undefined. Why? Because create before method is called before just setting up the data in your component. All right, you want to see, then just remove it, then reload it, then you will see name is undefined here. All right, and if you just want to check it inside the created, then you will find the Anil Sidhu is here. See, all right, because created lifecycle method will called after the creating the component and setting up the data. All right, so if you just want to change this property, then you have to change inside the create. Just write here this dot name and you can just put here Sam. All right, now you will see Sam is here, and let's refresh it so that we can see the console clearly. Before created is still undefined because there is a no link to the properties. Then created have the Sam, and the Sam is here. All right, because in the created component we can change or update the properties. If you just want to do the same thing inside the before creating, then it will not going to work. You will see the Sam only inside the before create. All right, here and in the created lifecycle method you will get the Anil Sidhu. Why? I will just tell you, just showing this. So if you just see, okay, I just have to comment it out. Now you can see that before create have the Sam, but created have the Anil, and here is also Anil. The reason is, first of all, this lifecycle method is called, alright, so this set up the Anil Sidhu as in Sam, but after that our component is created and the name is again set as an Anil Sidhu, alright. That's why created component have the Anil Sidhu as well as the HTML have the Anil Sidhu. So this is the way that how create before and created lifecycle methods are work in the Vue.js. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.